Hi guys, welcome back. This is a BTC living here, live trade. So let's ready for a big move for selling because it's almost 2 days. Our trade is open, still open here. Let's try, guys. We have to wait for a big move here. Our BTC trade. We need to capture our first target today. So this is BTC here, and you can see this is dollar, dollar going upside. Let's see, guys. We already sell from here, and a little bit we already closed. A little bit some quantity here and gold is going down guys also, and it's very difficult to going up, right? Let's see. We hope we will make big profit here. Also we are in profit here also, but we already execute our more traded backside from here. 78.38. Let's start. We focus on BTC, guys. We need to capture today big amount here. So mega tail, guys, here it's bigger move is going upside. Your stop loss will be here and here, ready for the move. Capture very quick move here. One candles. Hi guys, ready for a move here, BTC, because we have got it more many days here. We didn't hit our SL till ready for a big move here. I hope maximum people is buying right now on BTC, but what my strategy is telling me just sell, 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 sell. Let's see, guys. I hope we will achieve our target here. Breakout is completely here to here. Retesting is completed already here. I hope let's ready for a big move. Welcome, guys. Let's ready for move. Oh, guys, ready for here. Become monks for BTC. It's long time. We just wait for this one breakout. But it's very difficult. Let's see, guys. We have the confirmations. 90% is confidence here. We will hit our target here today. I hope. It's ready for move, guys. Here, I hope captures little bit profit here. Super actions, guys. That's enough. You can close here a little bit more profit. This one candle is enough for here, and just wait for other candle here and here. Next level, guys. Next level. That's amazing. Next level, guys. Just close your trade some pointed here. That's enough for one trade, one candle, and just keep a little bit more. Start our time here selling. Next level, guys. What I telling here? This is completely. There's no escape when two hearts collide. Side by side with no space and time. This is 1 hour time frame. Or gold also with us. Yeah, gold also with us. Yes. I hope you add a little bit more profit additionally here. I try to let it go, but I miss you so. Complete. You get enough. Remember, you can do anything. If you think there's nothing will happen, remember, you can do anything because Ukraine is the capital of great people. Ukraine is the Super, guys. Come on, down, please. I stay with your strategies, follow your rule, nothing more is important. Your discipline, your strategies is everything. Nothing, nothing is more in trading line. Just follow your strategies. Yeah, great, 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 great. All this noise, tired of all these cameras flashing. Sick of Trade your SL, book your profit is cost is important. Now my neck is open wide, begging for a fist around it. Already choking on my pride, so there's no use lying about it. Oh, next level, guys. They wanna make me There's an old man sitting on the throne saying that I probably shouldn't be so mean. I'm headed straight for the castle. This is 1 hour time frame. It's enough for you. One candles, two candles. Scalp, it's important here because we already looked at the process and that's why we already all we cover it all here. If you wanna break these walls down, you're gonna get bruised. Now it's next level. They wanna make me the queen. There's an old man sitting on the throne saying that I probably shouldn't be so mean. I'm headed for the castle. There's no Come back, guys. Thanks. It's done. BTC, it's completed. We already closed here our trade, and just you can keep your positions open. You can book a profit 50,203. But today's scalping is done. Is one candle is enough for us, right? I hope you make also huge profit. Thank you, guys. We will may see you next in next videos. Thank you, guys.